It is my experience that my clients either in their minds give the judge way more power than he or she has, or they don't understand the full amount of power that they do have. And of course it depends on the issue and it depends on the circumstances. But when we take a plea to a judge, it's not just for them to sign the paperwork. They are actually making a decision about whether or not they're going to accept the solution that the district attorney and I have come up with. And of course, if we can't come to some kind of mutually agreed decision, then we end up going to trial. And at that point, the judge's job is to make decisions on the law, to guide the jury with what their legal obligations are, and to make certain that the defendant and the victim receive a fair trial, that both sides are carefully and legally represented. Judges, we're all used to thinking of our system as a democracy, and it is a democracy. So we think everybody gets to vote on everything. That's not how that works. Judges have an unbelievable amount of power. And fortunately, in my experience, 99% of those people that are elected judges treat that power with the respect that it deserves. And I've never been in front of a judge that I felt like abused the power that had been given to them by the state. I'm sure they're out there. We've had court cases saying that they're out there. I haven't practiced in front of those people. So when you are around a judge, the answer is yes, ma'am, or no, ma'am, or yes, sir, or no, sir. The answer is I'm dressed in your courtroom like I am going to church with my grandmother. If I like to wear marijuana leaf jewelry, I don't wear that in your courtroom because that's not respectful. On and on and on. I know it sounds boring, it sounds tedious, but court is boring and tedious. And I highly recommend that you treat the judge with the respect that, even if you don't like the person, treat their office and the power that they can wield with the respect that it deserves. I'm Bob Carter. I've been in court handling nothing but criminal defense cases for 20-something years. And if I can help you, I'd certainly like to. I'm at 405-236-1800.